Ayo, what is up? My name is Ishan. You're probably busy, which is perfect because on this channel, we like to keep things short and sweet. No fluff, just quick and to the point. So in the next few minutes, we're going to be going over the massive news that has been coming out right before Snowflake's IPO and what a lot of you guys have been asking me, which is when do they actually IPO? Because the date has been confirmed and we're going to be talking about it at the end of the video. So as always, if you appreciate these short and value-packed videos, make sure to drop a quick sub and let's clock in. So I went over Snowflake's business and their financials very in depth in my last Snowflake video, so if you want to learn more about the company, I highly recommend you check out that video. But to quickly go over what they do, basically Snowflake provides a data warehousing service. And so what Snowflake does is they separate data storage and data processing, so it's kind of like a pay-as-you-go thing. This ensures very cheap storage and more compute per dollar because by not mixing the two core components of data warehousing, it makes it all around much cheaper and more efficient. Now the big news that's been coming out is that the one and only Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is buying a stake in Snowflake pre-IPO. So Snowflake plans to IPO by selling 28 million shares between $75 to $85, and Berkshire Hathaway and Salesforce both plan to buy $250 million worth of shares, or 3.13 million shares at $80 a piece. Berkshire will buy about 4 million shares more from an unnamed stockholder as well. So this was definitely not Warren Buffett's decision. Like we know with Amazon, when they bought it, he revealed that it wasn't even his decision, so I believe it's a similar thing here. But now, why did they buy it? Well, here's what I think. Firstly, Snowflake's market opportunity is massive. In a world where the global spending on big data analytics was more than $180 billion in 2019 globally, and more companies are becoming data focused and need to analyze more and more data constantly, you obviously want to make sure you can do that quickly and cost effectively. Snowflake does just that by saving companies the headache of having to create their own data infrastructure. Second, Snowflake is a very high growth company and they're probably going to be profitable very soon. Here's why. So their revenues in Q2 grew 121% year over year, which is insane, and their losses are decreasing with its net loss narrowing to $171.3 million in the first half of this year from $177.2 million from the first half in 2019. Gross margins and operating margins have also been improving consistently for the last 2 to 3 years, and so at this rate they're most likely to turn a profit by 2022, which is really good, and I believe this is another reason why they bought. And lastly, it's a tech company. Berkshire Hathaway was late to names such as Apple and Amazon, and plus they don't hold a lot of tech in general. And so they've got a massive amount of cash, so why not? Now, when will Snowflake IPO? What you guys have all been waiting to hear. According to Fidelity's IPO calendar, which I'll link below, Snowflake will IPO on Tuesday, September 15th next week, so it's time to get ready, guys. Please do your own research before the IPO and before you buy, but what I will recommend that if you do plan to buy during the IPO, I recommend that you buy in stages and not just go all in at once, but this is obviously your choice at the end of the day. So check out my last Snowflake IPO where I go more in depth about their business and numbers, and make sure you've subscribed and liked, and let me know down below what you guys think and if you plan to buy Snowflake's IPO. With that being said, do all that good stuff. Make sure you subscribe, and clocking out for now. Take it easy. Peace.